somebody is at home looking for 3 million, looking for 1 million to start a business. Another man has converted everybody's shop to his warehouse. That is leverage. But do you know that same guy who does not have a shop today, in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years, will have a shop, will have a warehouse, will start importation? Why? He leveraged on what is available. I wish somebody is getting me here. When I started my consulting business 2007 and my outreach ministry, I didn't have money to rent an office. I met a friend by name Uzongolari. I said, let me use the office as a contact. Whenever I have executive clients that must see me one-on-one, I'll bring them to your office. He said, no problem. I produced a business card, what you call complimentary card, and put his office as my office. That was then. But today, renting an office cannot be a prayer point.